Enjoy. You don't know before? Where you go?
Then you left her.
Huh?
You go and leave your number 6. Is this not that guys that has no boyfriend?
God, where did I get you from? What kind of a human being is this? No, you cannot be your God. Get out of my car! Get out! Get out! Just get out! I can't. Get down. She's not normal. You are not normal. Something is wrong with you. I've never seen a human being like you. No. That's not my wife.
Hey!
Liquid, come now. Liquid.
Why you dey touch me? What happened as waiting?
I was asking.
Wetin concern you for my matter?
I'm sorry.
Make una no dey tell me anything for this station.
But let me ask you. Did you
As the bakute, that's why you go carry your nose. They put for wetin no concern you.
people? That's what I'm talking about. Eh? Did you call?
Yeah.
Call. Ice!
Josa!
Moisa!
Obiago.
Sir.
Good. Sir, how are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
You where is Beatrice? Oga, see Beati now. Na Beati be this.
She's the one.
No, this is not Beatrice.
Na Beati be this now. See her.
This person.
Yeah, she's Beatrice.
Na Beati?
Yes, so it's not no be Beati. Beati, he come out.
Huh?
Beatrice, what is the meaning of all this? Why are you dressed like this? Where's your uniform? Obia, what is going on here?
Oh my God. Are these not my things?
Who be this one?
My hair, my shoe, even my... Obiagu. I think I say my things no last 3 days for your hand.
What do you mean?
Don't touch me! Leave me alone!
Now waiting
Obiago.
this one. Who you be, madam?
Obiago. Tell me say you buy this clothes for 300,000.
Yes.
Really?
Buy, purchase, and rented. It is still the same thing.
Really?
Can somebody explain what this nonsense is all about? What's going on here?
With all due respect, sir, I am here to collect my personal belongings from this fool.
You call me a fool?
Yes.
You call me a fool? I will deal with you. I will, as long as I live in this.
Will you shut up, Obiago?
Ice.
Madam, and what has that got to do with my checking point?
Obiagu here came to my house to borrow my things.
Huh?
Mind your word.
Obiago.
Listen, do you know I can sue you, arrest you for defamation of character? Eh? Listen, I did not borrow anything from her. I rented it from her. Will you shut up?
Huh?
Madam, go
Obiago.
ahead.
They tell me that you buy this clothes for 300,000.
I rented those things.
Obiago, where our 300,000?
Rent, purchase, and every.
Where our 300,000?
Wait.
Will you let me shut up? Ice! Will you shut up? Madam, go ahead.
As I was passing by, I found this woman putting on my personal
Hey, don't call me woman. Which woman? Madam, no, they call me woman. Forget this one we are. I go change her.
Will you shut up?
My name now, officer.
Will you shut up? Beatrice, will you shut up? Obiago, is this true?
It's ask Beatrice.
Ask which Beatrice. You the craze, Abi. Na thunder go fire that Beatrice for your mouth. Oga beg, make I talk my own. In fact, make I talk everything. Because I know this one na lie musumba. Before you know, you go talk the one where I know do. I dey my own, Oga, you know me, I know they find trouble. But if you find my trouble, I go give you the way where you want them. This mumu come meet me, say make we dey collect bribe.
What?
Gringo, you dey here. He say we go dey collect bribe from every keke. Make I fit buy Brazil wetin be that?
I don't know.
Brazil locks. He say na Brazil locks, say na hair. They wear am for hair.
Beatrice.
Say I go wear am, I go be fine like this. Now I will come dey collect bribe. Na so it happen.
You're a blatant liar. Sir, she's a blatant liar from the pit of hell. See, this. Were you not there?
We there now. We there now.
Sir, this confused, stupid Homo sapien and primitive Homo sapien came to me with an obsession for a young chat, asking me to help her. She was crying to me, and I agreed to help. She suggested we look for a means for fund, and that was what happened.
Yes.
Okay. That is interesting. Then tell me, how did you raise the money? How did you source the funds?
Talk am.
Ask her.
Ask you. Talk am how you take get the phone.
Is it not you?
Oga the phone, the way we will take get her, make I can ko even somewhere now because this boy Mugu. Don't they touch me. Oga, you know say this thing don't happen. I say I go come office, but I never get time to come tell you. Green Gory and this Mumu where they here. They collect bribe. Any keke way pass, so they go collect them 50 naira, 100 naira. They go even beat keke. They go beat keke.
She's lying.
Oga Beati,
she's lying.
Shut up, make I talk finish. They go collect bribe. I did my own. They can't say, if I want fine, they go collect 1,000 from keke. We go make money. We go collect 300,000. I can't agree. Say we go collect the money. Now so they get the phone.
And you join them.
You ain't gonna do. You no go talk about it.
Even you?
It's a lie.
Beatrice, you have joined them. Beatrice. And I was there vouching for you. That you are incorruptible. That nobody can corrupt my Beatrice.
I want beautify.
Please shut up!
I want marry.
Now listen, all of you. Listen. Listen and listen very good. From today onward, you are suspended from the force.
What?
I don't want to see any of you in my station again. Oh yeah, remove that stone! Come on, talk about this. It's not for the police. I don't want to see you in this post again. Oh yeah, remove them. Get out of here. I told you, I will do it. All of you. Give me the battery, I will do it. All of you, get away here. Move away. Get out.
Beati, isi coconut, bosom mere, Beati, ife melody ke, Beati, isi coconut, bosom mere, see ya beside Beati,
I lost my job.
Hi. Am I the only DPO in this country? Even in this state? Why would this? Oh my God, even Beatrice. I've been talking to the commissioner about this girl, but he always defend her. Look at now, she has even joined start to collect. Oh my God. What is all this?
She's under control, but can she maintain? Today she go good. Kung Fu Master, Jackie Chan, Biko Koi Fan.